Ladies and gentlemen, it is with great pleasure that I welcome you to this momentous occasion as we celebrate the completion of India's first cable bridge in Vidarbha. Nestled in the Gosikhurd project area, on the border of Nagpur-Bhandara districts, this state-of-the-art bridge stands proud in the Ambhora area, a famous pilgrimage site on the banks of the Venganga River. Union Highway Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari's vision has finally become a reality in the backwaters of major irrigation projects in Vidarbha, where 5 rivers, the Kanha, Venganga, Ambhora, and Kolar, meet. This bridge is not only an important transportation route, but it has also been designed as a special tourist spot. What sets this bridge apart is the transparent viewing gallery at the central height, where part of the sky balcony floor is made of transparent glass. This will be a truly unique and unparalleled experience for tourists visiting the area. To enhance the tourist experience, footpaths on both sides of the bridge have been widened by 3 meters, and panoramic lifts and stairs have been added to attract tourists to this spectacular bridge. The 705.20 meter long bridge, which is 15.26 meters wide, will significantly reduce the travel time between Nagpur and Bhandara Gondia. Currently, it takes 1.5 hours to cover the distance from Ambhora to Bhandara, but once this bridge is open to traffic, this distance can be crossed in just 8 to 10 minutes. With 127.54 crores being spent on its construction, it is truly a marvel of modern engineering. Tourists visiting the Ambhora area can enjoy breathtaking views from the Gallery Bridge, with its central and pylon galleries, which are more than 40 meters higher than the RTA. From this vantage point, one can enjoy panoramic views of the Chaitaneshwar temple area, the backwater reservoir area and the surrounding hills, along with a distant view of the river downstream. In conclusion, I invite you to join me in celebrating this momentous achievement and to experience the beauty and wonder of India's first cable bridge in Vidarbha. Thank you.